All the lessons on my Super 8 to Video channel are uploaded in 15 different languages. Here's the list in alphabetical order. If you speak Chinese, it's right here. French, Japanese, Norwegian, Spanish, Swedish, and, of course, English. To access your languages, all you have to do is come to Closed Captions, turn them on, but then go over here to Settings, come up to Subtitles, click it, and now you can choose any of those languages. Watch what happens down here whenever I hit Czechoslovakian. If I come back over, let's just say French. Let's do it one more time. Just say scroll down. Let's say you wanted Japanese. Then it would do Japanese. So that's how it's done. The vast majority of creators don't do this, and I enjoy putting it up in 15 different languages. It really doesn't pay for me, but I thought I should let people know I have this feature. You might be wondering why I have a moonset in all my videos. The reason is actually quite simple. YouTube only allows us to display our cards for 20 seconds. So I use that time to show off some of my other content. If you click on the card that's currently on the screen, you'll be taken to a video where I take a brittle, broken film that you would just think is a piece of trash and turn it into something beautiful. The transformation is truly incredible. This is Ron from Super 8 to Video, signing off.